Hello friends, today we are going to learn how can we split the text of a cell. So yesterday in tips number 4 we have seen how we can merge two texts into one, and today we are going to see how we can split the data. So here in the sample data I have full name, all the list available over here. What I want to do is I want to split that as the first name and last name. So very first thing that we have to do is observe that what is the separator here. Okay, as we can see that between first name and last name we have a space as a separator, so we can split this text with space. So and the output, desired output, is like this. So let's have a practice. So we'll do this using two way. One way is using function and another way is using wizard. So let's look at using function. So Excel provides the function called text split, okay, where you will have to select the text which we want to split. In this case, we are splitting full name. So I've selected it. And then what is the delimiter? So here in our case, we have a space as a delimiter, but maybe you can have comma or semicolon or anything that you can put as a delimiter. And that is it. Only these two are a required field to supply, and then using that we can split the text. So as I hit enter here, you can see that my name has been split into first name and last name. And to apply it for all other rows, I can simply click on it and then drag it like this, and it will do it for all. Okay, so that's how you can use split function and split your text into two. Now let's look how we can do it using wizard. So Excel provides us the another very good way of splitting the text. So for this, you can go into Data tab and then click on Text to Columns. Here, we'll have to specify the delimited characters such as commas, tabs, or space. Okay, so you have to select this and then select Next. And whatever the delimiter is, whether you have a tab or semicolon, comma. Okay, in our case, we have a space, so I'm selecting space. As soon as you select space, it will show that how your data is going to look like, right? So, and if you are satisfied with this, then you keep it as is, and then select next. Then you want to show that where you want to print this result. So I want to print this over here, so I'll select that location and then say finish. Okay, so you say that's already data there. You want to replace it? Yes. As you can see that I have received the I have received the data here. Okay, one more thing I wanted to share is, for example, here I already have some names. For example, Huck is already present, right? And I want to use text split like this. So what you'll see an error like this. Okay, you see there is a spill error showing. Why it is saying spill? It means in the adjacent cell there is already some value present. So because this function does not want to override whatever is already there, that's the reason it is giving you the spill error. So what you have to do, either you have to just move it over there, or you can remove it, and then as you can see that the spill error is gone, and you can see that the split has successful. Okay, and the last tip is that you can have like I have only two words with a space. Maybe I can have three or four. So as many number of spaces will be there, those many number of columns will be added. Okay, so hope you like it and this was helpful to you. Keep watching my channel. Thank you.